Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For this video, bubuo ulit tayo ng isa pang key play. Isa siyang evolution ni Eevee. And it was Umbreon. The set number for this is K20270 and it has 110 pieces. Let's open the box now. Meron siyang 2 plastic bag and like nung kay Eevee, wala din siyang numbering and 1 instructions guide. Let's start building. Here's the minifigure of Umbreon. So like dun sa una, kay Eevee, we will going to start with the stand. Ayan, we're already done with the stand. So stand pa lang, ang ganda ng color niya agad. So let's move on now doon sa pinaka-diagram, which is ito. Ayan guys, we're already finally finished Umbreon. So, same lang din siya nung kay Eevee. Nga pala, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung kay Eevee, I'm gonna put the link on the description of this video. So, katulad nga nun kay Eevee, etong sa gilid, yung ring, nagagalaw din siya. And medyo nahihirapan akong buuin nito kasi ang dami niyang transparent pieces. Yun lang guys, hanggang sa susunod, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!